Hello everyone, and hello teacher. My name is Renat. Talk. Today I reading about Dagobay Temple. Dagobay Temple is an old temple in Cambodia. It was built a very long time ago in 11th to 13th centuries, during the time of the Angkor kings named Suryavarman I. The temple is small, but it is special because it's it shows the history and culture of Cambodia. The temple is made of stone and has carvings, stone pictures that show ancient stories. Stories. Uh, even though some parts of the temple are broken, it still remains use of the skill and creativity of the people who built it. Dagobay Temple is on the Dong Reg Mountain. Uh, Dong Reg Mountain um, right on the Cambodia-Thailand border in Monorong Sanchai village. Kokpua, Kokpua Commons, Ban Tiay Ampel district, Udon Minchai province, Cambodia, about 25 kilometers northwest of Samrao. Many people visit Dagobay Temple to learn about Cambodia's past and to enjoy its beauty. Temples like Dagobay are important because they connect us to our history. Goodbye, everyone.